Thutha wa kĩgirĩko gĩa thikũ nyingĩ bũrũri-inĩ wa Sudan ya mũhuro kũrĩa marohetwo magĩkũĩrwo atĩ nĩ maiyĩte mbeca thingira-inĩ wa iregi wa bũrũri ũcio mũciĩ-inĩ wa Juba, thabarĩ ya gũcoka mũciĩ nĩ ĩkinyanĩire. Rĩu Anthony Mwandime, Lavi Lamesh, Boniface Muriuki na Anton Kea nĩ macemanirie na andũ ao.
Today we are very happy that we are receiving back 4 our young men. They seem well. They have gone through their medical tests, they are fine, so we are very, very grateful. Sometimes we are not this lucky.
If we are here today, it is because of the government, and secondly, because of all the prayers which the entire nation has been praying for us and for our family.
Makiuga mũtũrĩre wao njera-inĩ ya bũrũri wa ũgeni ĩrarĩ ya kĩgirĩko kĩnene.
The only thing we are wishing to see our families and we're happy. We're back home. That's all.
Now, how was the experience?
Of course, the experience is not good.
Macoketio thutha wa President Uhuru na President wa bũrũri ũcio Salva Kiir kũiguithaniria marekererio hĩndĩ ya mambura ma kwĩhĩtithia President Uhuru.
And what we have negotiated is to have our boys released within the framework of the rule of law. So what they received was a pardon of the president, which is well within the rule of law.
Firstly, we want to thank our President, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, for the effort he personally made to secure our release. I know it's been a long time and we've been hearing that he has really tried his best and he has fulfilled his promise of bringing us back home.
Endwa a nyũmba ici makoretwo magĩtabania mĩrũrũngano bara itiganĩte cia Nairobi nginya mbunge-inĩ ya bũrũri gwa kahinda gatanyihĩire mwaka ũmwe, o makĩenda tu matarĩrio kana mone endwa ao marĩ muoyo. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kĩmani.